You sit down to work. You open your laptop. You're ready to focus. 5 minutes later, you check your phone. Just for a second. And suddenly your focus is gone. Not because you're lazy. Not because you lack motivation. But because your brain just switched attention. Most people think they have a focus problem. But the real issue is something called attention switching. Every time you check your phone, even for a few seconds, your brain drops the task it was doing and jumps to something new. When you go back to work, your brain doesn't continue where it left off. It has to rebuild focus from the beginning. This process takes energy. That's why you feel tired, even when you haven't done much. So the problem isn't that you can't focus. The problem is that your brain keeps getting interrupted. And here's the surprising part. It's not really your phone that's destroying your focus. It's the habit of interruption that you've trained your brain to repeat all day. Good news? Habits can be retrained. And you don't need to delete all your apps or disappear into the mountains to fix this. Let's do it in a simple, realistic way. Step 1. Reduce notification triggers. Notifications are not just sounds. They are invitations. Every buzz, every pop-up tells your brain, look here. Something important. Most of the time, it isn't. So during work hours, turn off non-essential notifications. Not forever. Just when you need to focus. You're not ignoring people. You're protecting your attention. Step 2. Use timed focus blocks. Your brain loves clear rules. So instead of trying to focus all day, work in short, defined sessions. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Put your phone out of reach. No checking. No scrolling. Just one task. When the timer ends, take a short break. Then repeat. This teaches your brain. Focus has a clear start and a clear end. That makes it easier to begin. Step 3. Create a default focus mode. Your brain learns faster from consistency. Same place. Same time. Same setup. When you repeat the same conditions, your brain starts entering focus automatically. You don't have to force it. Your environment does part of the work for you. Focus becomes a habit, not a battle. Step 4. Allow boredom. This part feels uncomfortable, but it's very powerful. When you feel the urge to grab your phone, pause for 10 seconds. Do nothing. Just feel the boredom. That uncomfortable feeling? That's your brain rebuilding attention strength. If you escape it every time, your brain never learns to stay with one thing. Boredom is not your enemy. It's your training ground. Focus isn't something you magically find. It's something you train. Not with big dramatic changes, but with small habits, repeated daily. You don't need perfect discipline. You need simple systems that protect your attention. Because in a world designed to distract you, your ability to focus is one of your greatest advantages. And the best part? You can start training it today, one focus block at a time.